challenge is that we're seeing an increased amount of UAV traffic, but we are not able to increase the airspace available to us.
The number of drone operations is rapidly growing, and we need to ensure its safe integration into the sky.
The drone industry right now has a big problem. We can't achieve the level of scale that we need because we can't fly beyond visual line of sight, and we can't achieve the level of autonomy that we want. This is exactly why we need Project Rise.
Traditionally, airspace managers manage crewed flights. With Project Rise, it will be possible for airspace managers to handle UAV traffic with the same level of safety.
We've needed to integrate 3 core software layers: the GCS, or the brains of a drone, an FMS, which is a full flight management system, and UTM, which is effectively air traffic control for drones.
The Cranfield team is working in developing safe, secure and reliable communications for drones and urban air mobility.
We address the challenge of current and the future unmanned aircraft system.
The aim today was to trial the Dronecloud platform when operating in controlled airspace.
Today we've demonstrated an automated approval service which enables the sharing of information between airspace controllers and drone operators.
In the test scenario, both a piloted infrastructure inspection flight and an automated delivery flight along a predefined route are planned at the same time, but not spatially overlapping. Both flights are approved and request for takeoff is approved. During flight, the inspection flight goes outside its flight boundary where it might cause a hazard to the delivery flight.
Flight non-conforming.
SkyDrones provides the technology, which is hardware and software, which allows ADC to see the drone location in that exact position.
SmartSys gives the air traffic controller a full visual representation of the area that they're responsible for.
A non-conformance alert is automatically sent by SmartSys to the operator in Dronecloud for the inspection flight, and a separate alert is sent manually by an ATCO in SmartSys to the operator in Dronecloud of the delivery flight, asking it to loiter where it is until the hazard is passed. Such alert messages can also be predefined and sent automatically.
Frequentis SmartSys is the software that allows communication between the ATC controller and the drone operator.
Using LTE technology, ATC can issue the notifications to drone operators in real time to amend the flight plan or clear the airspace if needed.
The inspection flight returns to its boundary and gets an automated message from SmartSys recognizing it's now conforming. A separate alert is sent manually to the delivery flight that it can now continue with its flight plan. Both flights continue.
One of the main benefits for Skyports is that we can be in constant communication with ATC without having to use two-way radios.
Later in the flight, air traffic control has to respond to an incoming crewed aircraft with an emergency, needing an unscheduled landing at the airport. An area-wide alert is sent by air traffic control in SmartSys, and a message is automatically sent by SmartSys to Dronecloud separately for each drone flight to land immediately.
Please land immediately.
Both aircraft land as ordered, and the crewed aircraft land safely in clear airspace.
Our software allows air traffic controllers to make decisions and take actions on both planned and unplanned events.
Today we successfully and safely tested various scenarios with multiple drones in the air at the same time, with the drone operators and air traffic control fully aware of the movement of the drones.
The project has been excellent in developing the safe integration of unmanned aircraft into a regulated airspace environment.
Safely and repeatedly demonstrating an automated approval process is a critical milestone for us and the industry as a whole. It allows us to unlock beyond visual line of sight operations in a way that is commercially viable at scale.
The biggest benefit from the Project Rise is basically the integration of drones into non-segregated airspace, allowing the safer and scalable growth of the drone traffic worldwide.
Safety is paramount, but we need a level of automation and efficiency to allow scaling.
It doesn't stop here. We've proven the concept at Cranfield. Now we're going to scale out to the world.